Fried chicken and waffles, a delightful fusion of savory and sweet flavors that has become a beloved comfort food classic. In this recipe, we'll walk you through the steps to create this iconic dish from scratch. Get ready to indulge in crispy chicken atop fluffy waffles, a combination that's sure to please your palate and warm your heart. Let's dive in and discover the magic of homemade fried chicken and waffles. For the fried chicken, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 cups of buttermilk for tenderizing, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour for coating. Flavor comes from 1 tablespoon each of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, along with 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for spice. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. For frying, you'll need vegetable oil. Now, onto the waffles. Gather 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder for fluffiness. Add a pinch of salt for balance. For the batter, beat 2 large eggs and combine with 1 3/4 cups of milk, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that comforting aroma. Finally, for toppings, consider maple syrup, honey, or hot sauce for that perfect finishing touch. For marinating the chicken, start by placing the boneless, skinless chicken breasts in a shallow dish. Then pour the buttermilk over them, ensuring they're completely covered. This buttermilk bath helps tenderize the chicken and adds flavor. Once coated, cover the dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate. Let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to penetrate the meat. For even better results, marinate overnight. This extended marinating time allows the buttermilk to work its magic, resulting in juicier and more flavorful fried chicken. To prepare the waffle batter, begin by whisking together the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Combine the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt until evenly mixed. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs until they're well incorporated. Then add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract to the beaten eggs. Whisk this wet mixture until it's smooth and well combined. Now pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients. Gently stir everything together until just combined. It's important not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. Once the batter is mixed, set it aside while you preheat your waffle iron. This batter will yield fluffy and delicious waffles to accompany your fried chicken. To bread the chicken, start by preparing a seasoned flour mixture. In a separate shallow dish, combine the all-purpose flour with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Mix these ingredients well to ensure even seasoning. Next, remove the chicken breasts from the buttermilk marinade, allowing any excess liquid to drip off. Now dredge each chicken breast in the seasoned flour mixture, ensuring that each piece is evenly coated on all sides. Press the flour mixture onto the chicken to help it adhere. Once coated, set the breaded chicken breasts aside on a plate. This step ensures that the chicken is flavorful and has a crispy coating once fried. Take care to coat each piece thoroughly for the best results. Now it is time to fry the chicken. Start by heating about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet or deep fryer until it reaches a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the breaded chicken breasts into the hot oil, working in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding the pan. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and soggy chicken. Fry the chicken for approximately 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until it turns golden brown and is cooked through. You can check for doneness by using a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is cooked, carefully remove it from the oil using tongs and transfer it to a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows excess oil to drain off and helps to keep the chicken crispy. To keep the chicken warm while you prepare the waffles, you can place the wire rack with the fried chicken in a low oven, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit per 93 degrees Celsius. This will ensure that the chicken stays warm and crispy until you're ready to serve. It is time to make the waffles. Begin by preheating your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. This ensures that the iron is hot and ready to cook the batter evenly. Next, pour the prepared waffle batter onto the hot waffle iron, spreading it evenly to cover the surface. The amount of batter you pour will depend on the size and capacity of your waffle iron. Close the waffle iron and cook the waffles until they are golden brown and crispy. The exact cooking time will vary depending on your specific waffle iron, so follow the instructions provided with your appliance. Once the waffles are cooked to your liking, carefully remove them from the waffle iron and transfer them to a plate. To keep the waffles warm while you finish cooking the remaining batter, you can cover them with a clean kitchen towel or keep them in a warm oven set to a low temperature. Repeat the process with the remaining waffle batter until all the waffles are cooked. This will ensure that you have a batch of warm, fluffy waffles ready to serve alongside your crispy fried chicken. Finally, to serve your delicious fried chicken and waffles, start by placing a crispy fried chicken breast on top of each waffle. The combination of savory chicken and fluffy waffles is truly mouth-watering. Next, drizzle your preferred topping over the chicken and waffles. Popular options include maple syrup for a classic sweet touch, honey for a rich and natural sweetness, or even hot sauce for those who like a bit of heat. Get creative and add any additional toppings you desire, such as whipped butter, fruit compote, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Once your chicken and waffles are beautifully plated and topped, serve them immediately while they're still warm and crispy. This dish is best enjoyed fresh off the griddle, allowing you to savor the contrast of flavors and textures in every bite. Before we embark on your cooking journey, here are some helpful tips to ensure your fried chicken and waffles turn out perfectly. For extra crispy chicken, consider double dipping the chicken in the flour mixture after the initial dredge. This creates a thicker coating, resulting in a crunchier crust. Adjust the spice level of your chicken by increasing the amount of cayenne pepper in the flour mixture. Add more for a spicier kick or reduce it for a milder flavor. Always make sure the oil is hot enough before frying the chicken. This ensures a crispy crust and prevents the chicken from absorbing too much oil, resulting in greasy chicken. To keep the fried chicken warm and crispy while you finish frying the remaining pieces, place them on a wire rack set over a baking sheet in a low oven set to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit per 93 degrees Celsius. This helps maintain their crispiness until serving. Don't skip the buttermilk marinade for the chicken, as it not only helps tenderize the meat, but also adds flavor. It's an essential step for juicy and flavorful fried chicken. Get creative with your waffles by adding ingredients like chopped herbs, shredded cheese, or cooked bacon to the batter for extra flavor and texture. Serve your fried chicken and waffles with additional toppings like hot sauce, whipped butter, or fruit compote for added variety and flavor. Customize the toppings to suit your taste preferences and make the dish your own. By following these tips, you'll be sure to create a delicious and satisfying meal of fried chicken and waffles that everyone will love. Enjoy!